Regular exercise. Consistent workouts, particularly strength training, weightlifting, and resistance exercises, are crucial for muscle growth. Establish a workout routine that includes appropriate sets and repetitions to target muscle groups. Adequate protein intake. Consuming enough protein is essential for muscle development. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Foods rich in protein, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes, can support muscle growth. Balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition, including not only protein but also carbohydrates and healthy fats, is essential for energy during workouts and overall muscle development. Sufficient rest. Adequate rest is vital for muscle recovery and growth. Quality sleep is critical for muscle repair. Ensuring regular and enough sleep can significantly impact muscle building efforts. Progressive overload. Gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts over time is essential for muscle development. Increasing weights, repetitions, or introducing exercise variety can challenge your muscles. Importance of discipline. Discipline plays a crucial role in the process of building muscle. Consistency. Staying consistent with your workout routine, maintaining a balanced diet, and adhering to healthy habits are vital for muscle building progress. Commitment to routine. Discipline involves sticking to your workout plan and dietary goals consistently, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Patience and persistence. Building muscle takes time. It's essential to be patient and persistent in your efforts, focusing on long-term progress rather than expecting immediate results. Adherence to goals. Discipline helps you stay focused on your fitness goals, allowing you to track your progress and make adjustments to your routine as needed. Maintaining discipline in terms of regular exercise, dietary habits, and staying committed to your goals significantly